Hi, this is Ian Thompson, 60 Seconds with Ian, the island's downsizing specialist. I had a call today from someone who wants to register for my seminar. It's coming up day after tomorrow, Wednesday at the golf course, 1 o'clock. And they're saying, we're not going to downsize for at least a year, but we want to get started. And that is the attitude. It's absolutely perfect. You want to be thinking long term because you've accumulated many things in that garage of yours that you really don't want to take on, but you'd rather do it now, get started, than wait until you have to move and you've got like 30 days and now it's like 911. We're stuck. What are we going to do? So coming to the seminar in advance, especially right now in the fall as we look to 2025, it's a great idea. Just give me a shout at 250-616-3641 to register. Or you can email me, ian@ianthompsonrealestate.com. It's 1 o'clock Wednesday at the golf course. We're going to have Raylyn Varga talking about downsizing and packing and moving and how if you don't want to do it yourself or if you're doing it trying to help your parents, she can do that for you. Talk about which movers to use and make sure you have all those things lined up. And we're going to talk about a reverse mortgage with Adam Harlock. And then, hey, maybe you've decided to rent again after you've sold your house. And we're going to have Dale Harvey from Compass Point Financial talk about that. And then there's one document that you need, which is a power of attorney. And if you don't have that and you're a couple and you're selling your home, our friend Colby Marie Althouse is going to be there. She's a notary and she specializes in making sure you have the right documents together. Woo! Tons of info. I'll see you there Wednesday, 1 o'clock at the golf course.